Okay, in this video we're going to show how to add a screencast into Flipgrid so that you can use it as a prompt to help students respond to a video you have made. So you start by going to flipgrid.com, and here you can either sign up with your educator account, which is free to do, or log in with an existing account. So I'm going to do that now. Once you are logged in, you'll be taken to the discussion dashboard here, where you will be prompted to do one of two things, I guess, here. So first of all, maybe start thinking about creating a group. A group is like a folder for all your discussions. So for this example, I'm going to say we are working on a novel study of Mice and Men. And so I'm going to create a group called Of Mice and Men. To do that, all I do is click on the blue button that says Create a Group. Once you have the title of your group, you need to think about how you are going to add students to this class. So two choices here. If your students already have Google accounts, you can leave this checked here so that students join using their Microsoft or Google School email. If your students are not using Google accounts or Microsoft accounts, you can select usernames and add usernames for your students. But just for speed in this video, I'm going to leave it as student email and click Next. So at this point, Flipgrid is going to want you to confirm the domain address for your email so that only students from your school are able to access your Flipgrid discussion. So all you need to do for that is put in the last part of the email after the @ sign as a confirmation for entry to your group. Then click Next. If you want to duplicate topics from another group, you can. Otherwise, I'm going to click Skip for now and then go to the group. So I've got my group here ready for my discussion topics. Now ready for me to add my screencasting video for students to respond to. So if I scroll down the page here a little bit, what I want to do is start a discussion. And to do that, I'm going to add a topic. Next, the title of your topic. This particular discussion is going to be around the idea of foreshadowing and the author's use of foreshadowing in the novel, so I'm going to make that my title. Underneath the title, you can add a question to start your discussion, something that you would like the students to respond to. Once you have that added, you can choose the recording time. This is the maximum amount of time that you are going to allow students to have when they respond in a video response. So you can see there's lots of different options there. You probably don't want to make this too long. I'm going to keep it at 90 seconds for now. Good thing about that is that it encourages students to prepare their answers ahead of time, to be succinct and to the point. Scroll down here, you can see you've got some different options. So one is topic moderation. New videos and comments will be hidden from students until you activate them. So you get the chance to preview these before students see each other's videos. So I will turn on topic moderation. And this is the point here where we are ready to upload our screencast. So I could record a video here and put that in for students to respond to. I already have a screencast created though that I want students to watch and learn from, so I'm going to upload a video. Drag and drop your video into this box or click it to open a file picker where you can select your video. You can review your video here, make any trims or edits if you want to, or just click Next to go on to the next page. If you want to add any effects to your video, you'll see an effects menu here where you can add filters, frames, or emojis. I'm not going to add any this time. I'm just going to go ahead and click Next. And there you go. My video is uploaded to my discussion topic. Everything is done in the way I want it, so I'm just going to go ahead and hit Create Topic. Your topic is ready. You can share this link with students on Google Classroom or with a link or with a QR code or however you want to share your discussion with students. So let's take a look at what it looks like from the student's point of view. Over on the left here, you'll see a join code, and if you hover over that, you'll see you have the ability to view as a student. So if you click on that, you'll get a prompt here asking you to log in as a student. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now. And so this is what the student sees when they come to your assignment. They can watch the video here in the top right hand corner and then click record a response to record their own response to your question. The record a response button will open a video player where the students can record for their 90 seconds and deliver their answer to your question about Steinbeck's use of foreshadowing in Mice of Men. When student responses have been submitted, the teacher will see those underneath in their dashboard here where it says responses, where you can watch and approve and give feedback to students on their video responses. And that's how you would add a quick formative assessment to a screencast video inside of Flipgrid.